How to get local bank details in foreign countries. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to get paid like a local in another country, whether you are a freelancer, remote worker or global traveler, Wise make it easy to get local bank details in foreign countries. And in this video, I'll show you how to get local account details in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just head over to the account tab, and it may be also labeled as balances depending on your device. Now next, you can just tap on plus open a balance and choose the currency that you want local bank details for. Now here, let's say you want to get paid in USD. So here, just select the US dollar, and with that you will also get popular support currencies on screen like American dollar, euros, Japanese yen, Australian dollar and much more. And here, once your currency's balance is added, you can just tap on get account details, and for USD you'll get a routing number, account number and account type just like a real US bank account, and some details may require identity verification, so follow the prompts if asked. And after that, you can now share these bank details with clients, employers or platforms to receive payments without international fees. And you don't need a US address or bank account because Wise provides it for you. So Wise uses bank grade security and is regulated in multiple countries, and just remember each currency has specific receiving rules like only supporting local bank transfers or ACH. And that's it. That's how you can get local bank details in foreign countries using Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.